How to send money from Wise to Revolut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your Wise account to your Revolut account. So first of all, just open your browser and here on the search bar, just search for Wise. And after that, at the home screen of the Wise, just log into your account. And here under the account section, just click on send single payment. And after that, just select the currency that you want to transfer and enter the amount that you want to transfer. Suppose I'm just sending $100. Just click on continue. And here on the recipient page, you will see these three options. So either you can send the amount to yourself or somebody else or a business or a charity. So I'm just gonna select someone else. And here on this page, just enter the detail of your Revolut account. Just enter your account holder name and their recipient address and all these informations. And once you fill all these information, just click on confirm. And after that, you will be able to transfer money from your Wise account to your Revolut account. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.